Today I'm going to show you how to make An-nin Tofu with peach. It's still hot here in Japan. This cool dessert is what you need to cool down. You need only a few ingredients and I'm using agar-agar, so it's ready in no time. So no reason not to try it. Let's get started. We'll use this container as both mold and serving dish. Lightly moisten the inside so the jelly will release easily when served. Place the agar-agar powder in a dry pot, pour in the water and stir to dissolve. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1 minute to fully activate the agar-agar. Add the sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Turn off the heat and gradually pour in the milk. Then add a teaspoon of almond essence. Give it a nice stir until evenly mixed and then transfer to a prepared container. For a quicker setting, place the container in an ice bath. To make a simple syrup, combine sugar and water in the pot and bring it to a boil, then chill. Once cooled, add a little lemon juice for freshness, and you can also flavor it with amaretto or other liquor if you like. Meanwhile, prepare the peach. Cut into eight wedges, gently twisting to remove from the pit, then peel each slice. Sprinkle with lemon juice to prevent discoloration. Here comes the fun part. Take a small knife and cut the jelly diagonally. Then horizontally. This will create An-nin Tofu's signature diamond shapes. This cutting method is not only beautiful but also very convenient. It makes serving easy and helps the syrup flow evenly through the jelly. Add the peach slices on top, and your An-nin Tofu with peach is ready to enjoy. The peach is naturally sweeter than the jelly, and together they make a cool, lightly sweet dessert that's perfect for summer. And it also pairs wonderfully with mango, so feel free to try other variations. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!